Making your first $10,000 is harder than making 100,000, and most people never even get there. But once you understand why, it actually becomes way easier, trust me. The reason your first K feels impossible isn't because you're bad with money. It's because you're starting from zero. You don't have anything to show. At the beginning, you don't have like a system in place, you don't have a budget going on, and you don't have like a side income coming in. And quite frankly, every dollar you make just takes your time, right? So you're basically trading hours for money, trading your life for money. And that's the slowest way to grow, trust me. Most people think the answer is saving money, right? So they try to cut expenses like, oh, I'm not gonna drink my coffee, I'm gonna eat out less, I'm gonna cut my subscription, I'm gonna do this and that. But the truth is, you can't save what you don't earn or make, right? So your income has something to do with it. If you're only making enough to survive, I mean, saving alone will not get you to $10,000. You need to go the extra mile. You need to go get a side hustle. You work some extra hours at home, at work, I mean. Do something, to come up with some extra money. So you need to increase your income, right? So there's 3 simple ways that if you ask me what to do, I would tell you this, and it's not complicated stuff. I would tell you to sell stuff, flip. Go on OfferUp, Facebook, Marketplace, eBay, I don't know. Figure out something to sell, buy low, sell for a higher price. Even making like $5-10 profit, 50, 100, if you can get lucky with $50, $100 profit per item, yeah, that will add up fast, I personally done this. I'll give you an example. I sell PSPs, the Sony little PSPs. I buy and sell them, I flip them. That's what I do, and it works for me consistently. You can try a side hustle like those gig workers, they call them. So Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, you're gonna be trading your time for money, but at least you're gonna be making some money on the side. You can earn $50 a day. Even that will add up to a lot of money at the end of the month. If you just earn $300 to $500 a month, that can completely change your situation, right? And you probably have knowledge about something that most people don't, and I think you need to capitalize on it. So you have opportunities that you may have not even realized or don't look at it that way in terms of making money. But you can make money on a lot of things. You can make money on your car, your time, your skills. Turn that into income for yourself, for your family. Now, let me break this down super simple. If you just make $10 a day, that's $3,650, right? In a year. Now imagine stacking that with like your regular income at work, with other income streams, a side hustle, or like you sell stuff on the side. That's how you're gonna hit 10K way faster than you think. If you divide $10,000 by 365 days, that's $27.39. So if you can make $27.39 every day for the next year, you got yourself $10,000. The first $10,000 isn't really about the money. It's about proving yourself that, you know, you can do it. Next thing you know, you're saving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I don't know, maybe your ultimate goal is to reach 100,000. Once you figure it out how to make the money consistently, there's no going back for it, and everything changes for you. Your life changes completely. Trust me, I know. If you're trying to hit your first $10,000, you need to focus on your income. That's going to be the key, because in the beginning of your investing journey, you're going to be doing the heavy lifting until you reach a higher level of money. Then your money starts working for you, but you're not there yet. So income is going to be key. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Drop a comment if you're on that investing journey just like I am. I'll help you to get there, and consider subscribing if you're looking for content just like this. I make content almost on a daily basis. And if you want me to make a video on how to go from 10 to 50K, let me know in the comments down below. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.